Hi everyone, it's Karen. Somebody just posted a comment on one of my videos on YouTube saying that my video was the only one that explained where she can find her uploaded images. Very surprised about that, but anyway, it was an older video, so it made me realize I really needed to update that video. So that's all this is just an update showing you where you can find your images in Design Space for Desktop. So I've got it running here, and when you want to find your images, click the images icon over here on the left. Click browse all images, this green link here, and over on the left, under ownership, click this plus icon, and it's going to open up all of these, and you can see what you've uploaded, what you've purchased, what is free, and what you have downloaded. So uploaded, this is all the images, SVG files and stuff like that that I've uploaded into Design Space. If I uncheck that and I check purchased, you can see everything that I've purchased, and this includes all of my cartridges and individual images, whatever. Then anything that's available for free in Design Space, like the regular shapes, and various other different images that are free, and anything downloaded. So once you find the image that you want to use, for example, I'm just going to use these dots for a planner. When I click it, you'll see the image down here on the right. And if I click anything else, let's say, for example, I also click this one, you see now that there are two images selected here, and all I need to do is click Insert Images. So then whatever was shown there will be inserted onto my screen, and I'll be able to work with them. I just need to pull them apart to separate them, and I can do whatever I want with them from there. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching.